Google unveils Gemma, free, open weights, chatbots. Google introduced Gemma, a family of free, open weights AI language models similar to its powerful but closed Gemini models. Unlike Gemini, Gemma can run locally on computers. Gemma models are pre-trained and instruction-tuned. Developed by Google DeepMind and other AI teams, Gemma leverages techniques from Gemini. It's Google's first major open large language model (LLM) release since ChatGPT's rise. Gemma aims to enhance transparency and privacy in chatbots, contrasting with Meta's approach. Google claims Gemma 7b outperforms Meta's Llama 2 on various benchmarks. Alongside Gemma, Google launched a responsible generative AI toolkit for safe AI development. Stay tuned for more updates in the world of AI. Visit us www.algoworks.com.